Morning, ma'am.
Okay, so what we are going to learn today?
To make sentences.
Yes, to make sentences. To make sentences, which pattern we need to follow?
Subject, verb,
Object. Yes, we need to follow the pattern subject, verb, object. This pattern we follow in simple present tense. Okay? And this we use to talk about things or events or habitual action which takes place every day in our life. In simple words, the things or the events or the actions we do every day, to talk about those things, to tell about those things to other people, we use this pattern subject, verb, object. Okay? Previous class also we have done this topic subject, verb, object. Now can anybody tell me what is subject? Yes, Lihan, can you tell me?
The person or the thing who is performing the action.
Very good. Then what is the verb? The action? Very good. What is object then? Yes, who is receiving the action? The person or the thing who is receiving the action. Very good. I'm happy. Clap for yourself. I'm happy to see that you all remember it very nicely. Okay? Now let us do an activity. We'll make sentence. What you have to do? I have given you cards. Everyone has got the cards? Flashcards? Okay. Some of you have got the cards of subject, some of you have got the card of verbs, and some of you have got the cards of object. Now what you have to do? You have to match and make sentence. Match what now? One very important thing we have to remember while making sentences. While making sentences with subject, verb, object. One very important rule we have to follow. What is that?
Subject, verb, agreement.
Subject, verb, agreement. Yes. And the rule says, if the subject is singular, then there will be s with the verb. We have to add s with the verb if the subject is singular. Okay? Remember that. And the second rule says, if the subject is plural, many in number, then there will be no s with the verb. Got it? Just remember this, and according to that rule, you have to match your cards and make sentence. Okay? So first subject will come, then according to the subject you have to select the verb with s or no s, and then one object will come and make the sentence. Clear? So let us start. Okay? Which group is this?
Subject.
Which group is this?
Verb.
Which group is this?
Object.
Okay. Now subject, one subject come. We'll start. Yes, stand there. What is the subject?
Subject.
Is it singular subject or plural subject?
Singular.
So if the subject is singular, then with verb we have to add as. Very good. Now who will come? Read this. Drinks.
The cat drinks. Cat drinks.
Very good. The cat drinks milk. Yes. Now you all stand here. What is the subject?
The girl.
The girls. So it is singular or plural? Plural. So what the verb should be? No s. There should be no s with the verb. So what is this? The girls play?
Soccer.
The girls play soccer. Clap for them. Yes. Which verb will be here with this subject?
S.
With s. Verb with s, because the subject is singular. The boy, read out.
The boy sleeps.
The boy sleeps. We need an object. Yes. So what is the object?
Early.
Yes. So in this sentence, which is our subject? The boy. Very good. What is the verb here?
Sleep.
And what is the object here?
Early.
Very good. In this sentence, which is our subject? They. Which is our verb? Right. And object? Letter. So our sentence is? Very good. So what did we learn? Making sentences. And while making sentences, we need to follow subject, verb, object. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay.